Updating your profile details on Zip 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log in. Before changing your settings, use the Sherlock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings option. This is usually found in the main menu or under your account icon. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In the Profile Settings, look for an option that says Edit Profile or Update Information. Click on this to stop making changes to your details. Step 4. Update your information. Enter the new details you wish to update, such as your name, email address, phone number, or any other relevant information. Ensure that all entries are accurate and up to date. Step 5. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, look for a Save or Submit button. Click this to save your changes and confirm that your profile has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently update your profile details on Zip 2026. Regularly checking and updating your information helps maintain the accuracy of your account.